Hi guys, let us discuss this question which was present in NEET 2023. The question is, given below are two statements, one is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. Assertion is in equation delta Gr is equal to minus NF Ecell. The value of delta G depends on N. Reason Ecell is an intensive property and delta G is an extensive property. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the option given below. Option 1, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option 2, both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. 3. A is true but R is false. Option 4, A is false but R is true. So this is the question from Redox reactions and electrochemistry chapter mentioned in the NEET syllabus. Now let's discuss each assertion and reason. Assertion given in equation delta G equal to minus NF Ecell, the value of delta G depends on N. We can see that from equation it depends on N. If we see the equation, so we can find that the whatever I have said, the changing the value of N, this value will change, that is the number of moles. So this means the number of moles of electron. The value of this delta G will also change, so the given assertion is true. That means this value definitely depends on N. So this one, so this is true. The reason are Ecell is an intensive property and delta G is an extensive property. So Ecell is an intensive property because it does not depend on the amount of substance. If we can see that the Ecell, the electrochemistry, we will find that this the Ecell, the standard potential of the cell, does not depends on the amount of substance, and this delta G is an extensive property because it depends on the quantity of matter, because we have seen that its value depends on N. So that is the number of moles of electron. That's why delta G is an extensive property, delta G. So this is also true. So here correct option is the option 1. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. So thank you guys.